This is Bobby in the snow, part 2, but I can't get the gate open because it's covered in snow. So I'm going to pick up Bobby. Here we go. I have to put down the camera. Come on. Okay. Go, Bobby! There he goes. There he is. Go, Bobby, go. Go, Bobby. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Where is he? Where is he? Come here, Bobby. Who's that little boy? Go get him, Bobby. Go. Oh, where is he? Oh, there he is. Yee. He won't let me catch him. Oh, my goodness. He's a snow dog. He's a snow dog. Come on, Bobby. Do you like the snow? Bobby likes the snow. Bobby likes the snow. Come on. Oh no. There he goes. Get him, Bobby. Oh. I'm hiding around the corner. Oh, there he is. Hi. Hi. Oh, you look snowy. Come on. Come on, Bobby. There he is. There's Bobby. Jump, Bobby. You snow dog. Are you a snow dog? Oh, you're a snow dog. Look at him go. Look at Bobby go. Oh, what a big snow dog he is. Okay, Bobby, come on. Let's go in. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bobby. Mommy's leaving. Oh. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. Come on, snow dog.